Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video I would like to show you how to check your operating system with the taskbar. Alright, so at first you need to click on here. Yes, and click taskbar. It means this one, the taskbar management. It means you want to see one program, how to use the CPU, how many percent, and memory, how many percent that they using. So now I click the Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign as well. So I open the three, and also in here also have the Sony Vegas as well. So I open right now the 3 and plus 1 for it means 4 important program that normally it's big capacity. Alright, yes, right now the system is operating. You can see, yeah, the CPU will be increased low and down, low, up and down, depend on the program that we're using, and we open. And right now 44 and memory 50% of the computer. Yes, and right now I open the ones, yes, in here. So the CPU will be grow up more because the system already running more. And if I open the another, yes, in here, yes, so it means the CPU will be increased more as well because the system more using. Okay, and I open more. Yes, when we open the CPU and memory also increase too. Yes, when the system is operating more bigger and bigger. Example, now I go to, I find some design. Yes, this one, and then you can see the CPU increase, right? And the RAM also, memory also increase. Okay, CPU now 0 but memory 300. So if we open another, okay, right now I go to other. Okay, and try to open another. Yes, so you can see the CPU of Photoshop they more it, and also the RAM also increase, but when we do not do nothing, it the CPU is go down. Alright, so sometimes you open the program and you using another more design, it means your computer will be a bit slow. Okay, so I want to show you example here. Okay, more and more. Okay, example I open it here. Okay, and we have the the layer, and also you can check the CPU. Alright, yeah, but when you do the moving, the CPU always move also, your CPU also move, and you do the artwork more and more, you can see the CPU is go up, right? So the solution like this is, you have the small CPU and small memory, you need to design one program. Each one program, if you use Illustrator, you need to close other program, or if you would like to use the InDesign, you need to close other program. Now I want to use the Photoshop, so I need to close other program that I don't use. This one also I don't use, I need to close. Okay, because we need to have CPU and memory to run only Photoshop. And also soon we gas if we don't want to use it and just delete it. Okay, close it. So the memory will be go to Photoshop. Okay, the CPU not run, right, because we don't do anything yet, we just open. This one we just see we just spend only the memory, but the CPU just small a bit, not at all. And other, you see, yes, you can see, yes. Okay, you can arrange amount, I mean how many percent top to down, right? This one memory, which memory that eating much. Even Telegram, you can see 200 megabyte for memory. And also Firefox, yeah, we want it, we don't use, we click delete. Okay, and then the memory will be closed. Okay, right? Yes, go down, and we need to have the speed for the Photoshop only. And also you see this one 50 advanced zoom. If you don't want, you can end. Yes, and also Chrome you can end. Sorry, extend. Sorry. And okay, this one also ends, and this one also ends, because we need to get the memory to run only Photoshop. Okay, this is the solution. You can see preference. Yeah, CPU running. I have the memory is the 7.8 7.9, almost 8 gigabyte, but I using on the Windows and also program 3 gigabyte already. And CPU I use only 12%. And this Wi-Fi not yet using. This is the summary of the CPU running and memory running, and this is the processing that our program that operating. So this is the way that I recommend you to need to check, and you need to close if the system you don't want to let them running, but do not close other program that the operating system. If you close, it means your Windows cannot work well. Okay, you close the program that we don't want to use. Example in here 100 megabyte, right? But I don't close because this online upload and synchronize. Okay, and you see only Photoshop. And if I delete, the memory will be gone. You can see the memory will go down. Wait a bit, the memory will go down. Okay, more design, more eating the memory. Can see, you see, it's go down. When we close, the memory will be go down. Okay, a bit, yes, go down. CPU also got down and memory over down, and your operating system is very fast than before. Okay, you see, yeah, go down. Okay, if you have the problem stuck, I mean your computer is slow, you need to check in here the system. So remember, if you would like to use any program, you don't open other program. If you open another program, also your CPU and memory also more using. So your work will be slow. So in necessary, no need to open. Okay, alright. Thank you for watching. I hope you understand what I want to show you. Thank you. If you would like to have any question, please comment below video. I will answer your question. Thank you for watching. See you next video.